Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain the best app for Zoom recording with audio. We'll start by looking at Zoom's own built-in recording capabilities, which are often the easiest way to capture your meetings. You can record locally to your computer, or, with a paid account, save directly to the cloud. Understanding these options is the first step to successfully preserving your important discussions. Zoom's native recording offers two main types, local and cloud. Local recordings save high-quality video and can even provide separate audio tracks for each participant, which is excellent for editing. Cloud recordings, available with a paid plan, offer automatic transcription and easy sharing via a link. Remember, you typically need host permission to initiate any recording. For more advanced needs, third-party applications provide greater flexibility. OBS Studio is a powerful, free, and open-source option that gives you extensive control over your recording settings, including multiple audio sources. Tools like Camtasia offer not only robust recording, but also comprehensive video editing features, allowing you to refine your content significantly after the meeting concludes. Choosing the best app depends on your specific requirements. If you need a simple, straightforward solution, Zoom's native recorder is often ideal. For professional-grade recordings, advanced editing, or if you're not the host, a third-party tool like OBS Studio or Camtasia might be a better fit. Consider your technical comfort and the final quality you aim to achieve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.